in the heart of Kent, a historic railway line is being reborn. The Rother Valley Railway is bridging a crucial gap. This ambitious project aims to reconnect Tenterden and Robertsbridge, restoring a vital link for heritage and community. Once a bustling route in the early 1900s, this line played a significant role in local transport and trade. The Kent and East Sussex Railway currently runs to Bodiam, but a crucial section towards Robertsbridge remained dormant. Since its closure in 1961, track beds lay abandoned, and bridges stood overgrown, a silent testament to a bygone era. But now, dedicated volunteers and skilled engineers are tirelessly working, laying new tracks at Robertsbridge Junction. The new Robertsbridge station building beautifully blends historical design with modern reconstruction techniques. Significant milestones, like the 2023 Transport and Works Act order approval, mark the project's steady progress. Imagine the completed link, connecting our heritage line directly to the national rail network at Robertsbridge. Passengers will soon experience the scenic beauty of the River Rother and the rolling hills of the Weald. This restoration will boost local tourism, preserve heritage, and bring communities closer together. The Rother Valley Railway is truly full steam ahead, promising a vibrant future for this historic route. Support the restoration and help us complete this incredible journey. Your contribution makes a difference. Subscribe for more updates and join us as we bring this vital railway link back to life.